Hey everyone, Chris here. I wanted to take a moment to clear up a question I get a lot, especially when the Fed lowers interest rates and makes headlines. So, you've probably heard that the federal government recently lowered the Fed funds rate by 0.5%. And you might be wondering, how does that affect my mortgage rate or mortgage rates in general? Great question, and I'm here to break it down for you. Okay, so the Fed funds rate is the interest rate that the banks use when they lend money to each other overnight. It's more of a short-term, behind-the-scenes rate. It impacts things like credit cards, home equity lines of credit, and auto loans. However, it doesn't directly influence longer-term rates like 30-year fixed or 15-year mortgages. In fact, when the Fed lowered this rate this week, the mortgage market had already anticipated this move. So by the time the announcement was made, this week, longer-term interest rates had already adjusted accordingly. Okay, so mortgage rates, though, have been on the downward trend for the past 6 months. We've seen rates go from the 7s into the 6s, and on a few lucky days, we've even seen high 5s, depending on the type of loan, credit score, etc. So while the Fed's actions do influence the broader economy, they don't have a one-to-one impact on 30-year or 15-year mortgage rates. Okay, so here is the bottom line. If you have been waiting to buy or refinance, now's a great time to take a closer look at your options. Rates are more favorable today than they were a few months ago, and there's a lot of opportunity out there. If you have questions or want to see what today's rates mean for you, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. If you're curious or would like to know when it makes sense to refinance, schedule a conversation with me to go over the numbers. Below is a link to my calendar, so schedule that call. Remember, numbers make decisions, not emotions, when it comes to a lot of things, but especially your home financing. Thanks for watching, and as always, I've got your back. Thanks so much.